Hey, what is up, everyone? It is Britt, and I am back with another video. Today, I will be showing you guys how to get this sugar skull for Halloween. It is super easy. This is my first time actually doing this, and I'm actually happy with the results. I know a lot of other sugar skull makeup tutorials is like a little difficult, but I try to make it as easy as possible, and I'm actually, like I said, I'm very excited with how this turned out. I'm not going to keep this intro very long, but if you want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Bruise wheel, this is the Mehron Bruise wheel, and I am taking that black shade, and it's kind of like a face paint kind of, but I'm going to take that and I'm going to take a nice little angled brush and I'm going to draw a circle around my eyebrows and my eyes. I did it bigger from usually how people do it. I know it's still my first time. I still have improvements to do, but I think I pulled it off with having a bigger circle. But that's all I'm doing. And then after that, I'm just going to take a foundation and I'm just going to go ahead and put foundation all over my face, outside of the circles, not inside the circles. And then after that, I am going to go ahead and draw the petals on this eye. Well, I draw petals on both eyes, but I did the petals on this eye first. And I'm just basically drawing petals around the eye with a liquid eyeliner that I have. It's the Amuse Cosmetics eyeliner. I forgot the name of it, but it's really good and it helped me. So, yeah. So as you guys can see, I finished off the eye that I was doing off camera because my camera shut off and I was running out of space. So I decided to do this eye on camera. And basically what I'm doing, I'm taking that face paint black shade and I am filling in more of the outer part of inside the circle, if that is making sense. And then I'm going to set that with a black eyeshadow because this is very oily and I don't want it to move. Next, I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking those two blue shades, and I'm going to blend that in with the black more on the outer side. So as you can see, it's kind of like an ombre effect. It's like black going into the dark blue and then into a lighter shade. And right here, I'm taking concealer and foundation to use that as a primer base so this lighter shade can pop and stick more on the inside of the circle. I don't know if I'm describing this right, but yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm taking that light shade, I'm putting it all where I put the foundation, and as you see, I'm taking the blue shade and I was blending that in together to make it look together. And I drew the petals on this eye, and now I'm just taking a black eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette and I'm just filling in the petals with that black eyeshadow. So now I'm just making sure everything is blended together and looks great. No harsh lines or anything. And now I am just adding a eyeliner to my upper lash line. What the heck? My upper lash line. And I'm doing a simple small cat eye, nothing too dramatic. Just something very simple. I'm using my Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner. I was trying to think of the name and I couldn't remember it. And these are the lashes that I'm using. I'm using the AOA Studio La Luna lashes. That's the style, and I think they're pretty cute and they're $1, so go get them from AOA Studio. Now let's move over to the mouth. Basically, I'm taking that black paint and I'm just lining the top of my lips, making sure you see my cupid's bow, and then I'm just going to add a line. I'm stupidly blocking the camera so you can see what's happening, but it kind of imagine like you're doing a mustache on your lips. And then my camera shut off, so while I was adding the teeth to my lips, it shut off. So when I started recording again, I started doing my nose. And basically on my nose, I'm just going to pretend like I do a V or a U on my nose, and then I just fill in the rest of my nose with that middle part showing. I don't know if I'm explaining this great. I'm not great at explaining things on voiceovers, but you guys can see it. And now I'm just finishing up the mouth and adding the lines on the mustache, putting air quotes up, adding just the teeth and the lines to bring everything together. If you guys can see, because I'm not great at explaining things once again, so it's better that you guys see, but I keep stupidly adding blocking the way. But anyway, what I did here is I added a line like I was contouring, and I connected it to the teeth. And for like a contour, like, I don't know how to explain it, but you guys can kind of see I did that. And then to start off with the shading process, I took the dark blues and I just filled in the space. I'm trying to make some sense here, guys. Bear with me. And now I'm just taking a pencil brush and the black shade, and basically on the line I'm smudging that top part, and then you'll see that I'm taking this big brush and I'm going to take the blue shades and I'm going to blend that together to give it that gradient and ombre effect. I'm trying to make sense, y'all. Bear with me. I'm so bad. I'm so terrible at explaining things, but hopefully I make enough sense for you guys to follow along. If not, you kind of see in the video what I'm doing. And now I'm just taking that face paint again, and I'm just going to draw on some fake skinny eyebrows. Yes, I know they look off a little, like this one is lower than the other one, but I kind of like it. In here I took a smaller pencil brush and I took just a silver eyeshadow, anyone that you want, and I'm basically just dotting on top of the contour and my eyebrows, and I also dot on the petals around my eye to add some more pizzazz to the whole look. And basically that is it. I just added a white cosplay wig. I think it turned out great. Hopefully you guys found this easy enough to follow along to, and I was making sense in this video. But yeah, that is it. This is kind of a last minute thing, and I actually enjoyed and had a lot of fun doing this. If you want more videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below and tell me what other videos or ideas you have me to do, and I will see it and I will do it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping, get your Mariah? Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping, get your Mariah?